So you might be in this weird situation where your particular WhatsApp account is telling you that you can't use this account anymore and is basically banned on your particular device. So it may look like something like this. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. There's never just one reason why this may end up happening. So if it says something like this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp anymore, usually the number one reason why this ends up happening is because your account got banned. So WhatsApp is pretty clear on what they, allow and what they don't allow. So if you go and take a look at their particular account right here, you can kind of see what's going on. So essentially, it says that if your account, is banned, you'll see the following message that said this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp anymore. And they kind of go on to, say further, we ban accounts if we believe the account activity violated our terms of service. So the first thing I'd recommend doing for you is just to take a step back and see if you were violating their terms of service. Were you doing a bunch of spam, scammy stuff? Were you allowing your account to do some wild things? Were you going against the terms of service in any way? If you were, there's not really much you can do. You can just back up your chats and check from there, and then you can just go from there. Now, sometimes at the bottom you can review it if there's like a review option. So at the very bottom, it may be like ask for a review or something like that. You can always ask them for a review or try to get one. And chances are they may end up giving you one. But the other big thing is that if you really actually think your account was not supposed to be banned, what you can try doing is you can request a review. So it says here, if you think your account was banned, tap request a review in the application, which again is at the bottom right here. And then it'll just allow you to request a review and some actual human will go and check it out. Now, it can also mean that sometimes it can be a random glitch and maybe your account is totally fine. You can always try going inside of your app store, just like so. And you may just want to go and search up WhatsApp. So go right into there, find the WhatsApp Messenger, go ahead and update the application. And for some people, that might end up fixing it for you too. But usually, if you just request a review, that might end up fixing the problem for you. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.